Welcome to ARCACHON, an exquisite masterpiece of European-inspired charm and grandeur, where luxury meets tranquility in the heart of Sanctuary Cove. Situated on a double block with an enviable north aspect, this majestic property offers over 60 metres of main river frontage, providing a secluded sanctuary with panoramic views of the surrounding nature reserve. Constructed in 2011 by a master builder renowned for their expertise, ARCACHON boasts a total floor area of over 1,100 square metres, featuring high ceilings and exquisite detailing throughout. From the flawless architectural design to the state-of-the-art amenities, every element of this residence reflects a commitment to unparalleled quality and sophistication. Step inside to discover a haven of comfort and elegance, with 4 living areas, a library/media room, and a provincial-style gourmet kitchen equipped with Gaggenau appliances. The ground floor features a master bedroom and 2 guest bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms, offering the utmost in privacy and convenience. Outside, the grounds beckon with multiple areas for alfresco dining and relaxation, providing the perfect backdrop for entertaining guests or simply unwinding amidst nature's splendour. A newly installed pontoon awaits, ready to accommodate vessels up to 100 feet, offering seamless access to the waterways of Sanctuary Cove. Positioned within a prestigious enclave of Sanctuary Cove, ARCACHON epitomizes the epitome of waterfront living. With its unparalleled beauty, exceptional amenities, and unrivaled location, this iconic property offers a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury and convenience. Experience the epitome of luxury living at ARCACHON.